I'm going to show you how to embed a Google form or a Google survey into your learning platform and how to set one up in the first place. It's possible to get an embedded survey into your learning platform that just has all of the questions on one page, and it's quite a quick and easy thing to set up. If you go to Google, it's possible to set up yourself a Google Mail account, and if you then go to Documents, if it's not showing, click on the More button and you'll be able to see where it says Documents. I'm going to create a new document, and I'm going to create what we call a Google form. Now this is my questionnaire, and I'm going to do it as if I'm finding out about our new class. And it might be that I want to just give a little bit of a brief description for my new class so that they know what it is that they're going to be doing. So this is a quick and easy way to share information. Now, I've got a question here. I can decide what sort of question I've got. I can decide if it's a text question, or if I actually want a longer, more expanded paragraph of text for an answer. Otherwise, I can give multiple choice answers or check boxes or choose from a list. I can put my answers on a scale or on a grid. It's up to me how I display this. So I'm going to show you a couple of different types of questions here. I'm going to do two of the simpler ones, and I'm going to do a text question, and I'm going to say, what is your favourite meal? Okay. I'm going to put my question in here. What is your favourite meal? And I can decide whether or not to make that a required question. Once I've finished, I just click on Done, and then I can go on to the next question. And you can see, I can already see what that question is going to look like. There's usually two sample questions when you go and set up a Google form. All you have to do is click on the Edit button that's on the right hand side. It's the little pencil symbol. And I might want to have a different sort of question. So, which would be your favourite book? And I'm going to give a multiple choice answer this time, so I can add as many options, as many choices as I want to for my class. So Little Red Riding Hood is going to be my first option. I'm going to click on the next box down, and that will automatically give me a space in which I can add my second possible answer for the class to choose from. Hansel and Gretel. I might have Three Little Pigs too. And I'm just going to do one last option, and I'm going to put the Tank Engine down because it might be that you want to have that. You could also add Other as an option, so they could put their own answer in. It's up to you entirely. If you decide that you want to remove any of those choices at any point, you'll see there's a little cross at the right hand side next to them, and you can sort that out. Click on Done, and that's finished that. If I want to add another question, I go up to this little box on the top left hand side where it says Add Item, and I can just decide what sort of question it is that I want to add there. Okay, I'm not going to add any more questions to that one. I'm going to bin that particular question. So I can save my work, and that will save automatically in my Google Documents, and any responses will automatically go to my Google Documents. I can go to More Actions here, and you can see that I've got an Embed option. And I get a code when I click on here. It's an iframe code. If I right click on it, I can copy it, And then when I go to my class page and click on my edit button, I get my WYSIWYG editor up. Now if I have a look here very carefully, at the top right hand side we've got view or edit source, and if I click on that it will bring up a place where I can paste in that code. So I'm simply going to right click here and I'm going to paste in that code, and you can see that iframe code is now appearing here. This is what it looks like in a Firefox browser. If you're in Internet Explorer, you had to click on the little clipboard at the top to paste your code in. Simply click on Apply and OK. And you can see that the questionnaire is already appearing in here, and I can just simply update my group homepage. If you have a little look down here at the bottom of the questionnaire, there is a Submit button. I'm just going to show you one last thing about this this form. If I close that down, I can actually choose a theme for my form as well. So there are lots and lots of different options. I could maybe have a Christmas questionnaire, in which case when I embed the code, once I've actually found a theme that I like, if I particularly like that theme and I then go and get my embed code, it will be slightly different, and you can paste that into your class page with the pictures on it as well.